Now we're going to learn the year, how to sign years, the number 1735, 1974, 2002, 2011. The basic rule is similar to English. We tend to sign the number in two parts put together. Most years, the numbers have four numbers, and really it's like 2 and 2 together, right? For example, 1952. The number 19 we sign as 19, and then add on 52. 1952. And you can move a little bit. Again, 1952. The numbers tend to be made smaller movements, not big movements. For example, 1915. 15. Not 1915 with a big full movement. 1915. 1920. You can sign 20 in full or just 1920, one movement. And that continues for all the numbers before 2000. Okay, so I'll show you more examples. I'll sign 2 or 3 times and you can join in. Copy me. 1974. 1974. 1818. 1818. 1735. 1735. 1999. 1999. 1967. 1967. So that movement still applies for this part. 1967. 1967. Okay, good. Easy, right? Now, 2000, that's a little different. It has that double O. The numbers 2000 to 2009 tend to follow that different pattern. I'll show you each. 2000. 2000. That O slides. 2000. 2000. 2000. 2001. 2001. So 2001. 2001. 2002. 2002. You don't need to do 2 in hand shape and then a true O back to a full 2. You don't need to do that. You can relax your hand and make the 2 into the O. 201, 202. Notice the movement is just in these fingers, not the ones that are down. 2002. 2003. 2003. 2004. 2004. See? It's all the same again and again. 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2005, 2006, 2006, 2007, 2007, 2008, 2009. Did you know this is a course lesson preview? More videos like this are in our online beginner courses. Okay, good. Again, 2000 to 2009 are a little different. They use that OO sliding movement. For the year 2010 and beyond, we go back to that beginning pattern where we use two numbers put together. So the number 20 for 20, we tend to have just a single movement, 20. You don't have to do the full number 20. You can simply say 2010. 2010. The 10 too might not need to move like 10. It can just be a shorter movement. 2010. 2010 or 2010. (2010), 2011, 2011. So again, the number 11, you don't need to do the double movement. 11 once is fine. 2011. (2011). And continue on. 2012, 2012, 2012, 2013, 2013, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2014, 2015, 2016, again 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2020. And continue, 2021, again 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and so on. 2030, 2045, and up. In general, the rule, let's review. So in general, the rule is using the two numbers put together. 1865, 1930, 2015, for 2000 through 2009, use that O sliding movement. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003 to 2009. Okay? And last, I want to let you know, you can use the sign year if the context isn't obvious. In general, if the context is clear, sometimes the year or time, whatever, it's fine to just sign the number and that's it. If the context is not clear, you can add the sign year. Or for emphasis, you might use the sign year. For example, the year 1995, I started studying ASL. Or the year 2020, it was a strange year. Or simply 1995, I started studying ASL. 2020, strange year. Okay. Hi, friends. If you liked this video, did you know that this is from my ASL class? I have a few online ASL classes, including a beginner ASL class, and recently I added a time course related to time. For example, the numbers and years, plus other concepts related to time, like past, present, future, repetition, frequency, that. All the information is below in the description. Okay? And if you're interested or have any questions, ask me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.